First of all, Coach, I know that you kind of had to say yes to this thing that we did, which is super cool. And
Didn't have to.
Well,
It's been awesome.
It's been a lot of fun. We've had a blast, and Steve and I and Jason and I decided that we put some stuff together, you know, all year. It's been dog season, and you are definitely the dog father.
Take the snap, moving to his left, now goes back over to his right on the misdirection. The long pass to the near sideline, intercepted by Darius Wall. Mcdowell trips to the near side. Edmiston on the far side of the line goes in motion across to the near side. The handoff up the middle to Romani. Romani with a first down and lots of room in front of him up to the 20, the 10, one behind him. Taha Romani with a huge touchdown run. Rash behind him to the right. Rash will take it unsurprisingly up the middle with plenty of room. Lowers his helmet, and he's in. Another touchdown for Mcdowell. McGregor and Romani in as fullbacks. Rash takes the handoff and again in easily. Another touchdown for Mcdowell.